Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We will present the result of our group discussion about stigma and discriminatory behavior towards COVID-19. Introduce, my name is Aata Rizka and my friend.
My name is Anissa Yuningtyas.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Karista Putri Ardianti.
Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Adinda Aisyah. You can call me Adinda.
Hello, my name is Fadila Rizky Oktaviani.
The article presents a summary of research on the relationship between stigma and discriminatory behavior towards COVID-19 patients in Tuban. The study found a link between stigma and discriminatory behavior in society, with the majority of respondents having a positive stigma towards COVID-19 patients, but a small percentage exhibit discriminatory behavior. The next material will be read my friend.
The article emphasizes the importance of providing support and education to encourage positive attitude towards COVID patients. The abstract also maintains that race, Kondestan and Permata Bonang Parbon Tuban Tea House proved that a prejudice of people who have a negative stigma against COVID survives in large threat to see who have a positive stigma.
The third material explains about point 1 is the first. This article provides a brief overview of the COVID-19 pandemic and the negative impact stigma has on individuals and community. 2. The report highlights the role of social media in spreading misinformation and contributing to stigma. 3. It also mentions the importance of education and positive thinking in combating discriminatory behavior. 4. In addition, the introduction could benefit from a clearer statement of the importance of the research and its potential implication. 5. Overall, the introduction sets the stake of the research but can be reinforced with more specific details and a clearer focus. The next material will be read, my friends.
Based on the available information, it can be concluded that there is a relationship between stigma and discriminatory behavior toward COVID-19 patients in Permata, Bonang, Perbon, Tuban, RT housing. Almost half of society has a negative stigma toward COVID-19, suffers as much as 40% and a positive stigma as much as 60%. The result highlights the importance of education and positive thinking in combating discriminatory behavior and encouraging support for COVID-19 patients. So here we invite us to be with in getting information from social media and not be easily provoked. It is recommended to provide ongoing education and support to reduce stigma and discriminatory in society. Continuous support here means providing support to COVID-19 sufferers and providing education facilities to improve the quality of regional test process so that people are safer and more comfortable.
And that it is known that the fact will have an impact on stigma in the community relates to the COVID-19 virus, which will have an impact, especially in areas with a lack of knowledge in the community.
The stigma the address in safety from implies are discrimination toward people moving from new environments, ostracizing people recruited from COVID-19, refusing new entities or ice friends, being virus crazy, avoiding hard works and refusing that bodies will have been infected with the COVID-19 virus because the air confidable to transmit the virus to other people.
Method. This research is a type of correlation analysis because the research only examines the relationship without giving treatment. The population in this study is the Permata Bonang Perbentuban housing community, which is the close plus to the research environment considering the safety from the spread of the COVID-19 virus from the research. Data collection technique with using simple random sampling obtained total of 45 population and sample. Data analysis using a T-squared test with editing, coding, scoring, and tabulation steps.
Based on the research that has been carried out and related theories, the research argues that based on the perspective of people in the Permata Bonang Perbentuban housing RT, it was found that those with negative stigma are lower than those who have a positive stigma on COVID-19 sufferers. The result of the research finding showed that most of the respondents has good attitude, such as positive thinking and not looking down on COVID-19. Almost half of society has a negative stigma toward COVID-19 sufferers, as much as 40%, and a positive stigma as much as 60%. Most respondents said that people who were confirmed to be COVID-19 must always be supported, not away from, not discriminated against, and helped during their treatment. So here we have to provide encouragement so that COVID-19 patients remain positive. The study's results are strengthened by a theory that explains the stigma that can make a person have a prejudice, thought, behaviors, and the action by the government, society, co-workers, environment, and family. Based on the analysis, it was found that most of the respondents had positive stigma values with the category of no discrimination. None of which discriminate against COVID-19 sufferers and respondents who had positive stigma with the category of no discriminatory behavior. All of the respondents did not discriminate. As seen in my initial explanation, 60% of the stigma is positive, so there is more positive stigma than negative stigma. This definition reflects that in a situation like this, it is to mention condition and keep positive thinking so that they can live in harmony and peace in the community. So here we have to look for truly verified information. The research argues that in increasing efforts to overcome discriminatory behavior against community stigma by providing education to continue supporting someone COVID-19. Providing education is important for this because it will create people who are good at social media.
Conclusion. In conclusion, the stigma that occurs in the community towards COVID-19 suffers in Permata Bonang, Perbon, Husing, Tuban. Almost half of the community has a negative stigma towards COVID-19 sufferers. So it can be concluded that there is a relation between stigma and discriminatory behavior in the community towards COVID-19 sufferers. It is suggested that response should beware in the getting information from social media and not easily provoked in thinking positive and providing support to COVID-19. The following is a presentation of the material that will be read